Hey guys, 𝐸𝐩𝐸𝐸𝐶 here, and I'm here with an 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐈 Pros review. I'm going to go over what 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros is, how you could use the 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros system to begin to make instant commissions into your pocket, and yeah, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. So first of all, you should know that 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pro is a ground floor opportunity. It's been out for a little bit over a week. So it's fairly new. With 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pro, one of the biggest thing that people struggle with online is how to market online, what to say, how to market. You know, people worry about saying the right things, posting the right things so that they could attract people to them to present the opportunity. Well, with 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros, you get over 70 pre-written ads that you can post on social media and begin to get out there. And these aren't dated ads. These are like fresh, new, got emojis, all types of stuff that attract people to you. Okay, so the 𝐑𝐞𝐈 is provided. Okay, this is a totally newbie friendly program. 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros is newbie friendly, so this is a program where a newbie could come in, plug and play, and start you know, making money online. All right, the good thing about this program is you can make $125 commissions off of this program. And a marketing system is included. Okay, I'm going to give you, stay tuned, because I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what that marketing system looks like. Okay, so if you don't already know, if you're new to online marketing, affiliate marketing, a marketing system is really important when you're marketing online. Why? Because you want to capture those leads so that you can communicate with them, so that you could, you know, follow up with them and see, you know, what questions you can answer, so that you can encourage them, so that you can keep presenting your offer in front of them, so that when they're ready, you're positioned. Okay, this system 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros also allows you to build leverage into the compensation plan. And what I mean by that is it's a reverse one-up program. So that means that as you bring people in, you're going to get some of those pass-up commissions, and people who come in with you are going to get the same. So it allows you to get leverage, right? So you don't have to work so darn hard building. Okay, if you already have a primary business, this is a wonderful opportunity to put on the front end, so that you have cash flow to pay things for, like your auto ship, your traffic, your business expenses for your primary business. Okay, and you could promote your opportunity on the back end. How? When people log in after they've gone through your funnel, one of the first things they're going to see is your presentation page, and you can put up to 5 business opportunities, trainings, whatever you want on that page, and it allows you to advertise those links and actually graphics, so you can put pictures and entice people to take a look at your primary opportunities. Okay, so that's it. My website is here, 9to5eraser.com. So let me give you a sneak peek. So when people come to your capture page, it's going to look like this, and it says, you know, this super simple copy and paste system spits out unlimited 25 payments. So that's what you need to know. They enter their name and their email address, and then they immediately can go to the video. There's also a button there where they can message you immediately on Facebook. Okay, all right, so once they do that, this is the members area. Once the welcome page that they see when they log in, or once they get their system and they join, immediately it's going to go over everything they need to know. You don't have to worry about explaining things to people. It's already there. There's a Facebook group for the team. They can join there, so your team members are immediately plugged in to get support. You don't have to do all that. And then immediately they can click on access the system, and once they click on that, immediately your pre-written ads are here. You don't have to email anybody. So this is like email processing system on steroids, because you don't have to email that manual work that you had to do with email processing system. You don't have to do this with 𝐑𝐞𝐈 Pros. You can access your pre-written ads here. You have your capture page here. You could track your visitors, okay, to see who came in to see, and look at their information and follow up with them if that's what you wanted to do. And so on and so forth. So that's it. This is the system. The other things I wanted to show you, and this is what I was talking about, how you can advertise. So this is my sponsors information. So this is the page I was telling you about. Once they sign up, now they can see your business opportunities, and if they wanted to join them, boom, they can click on these and get to your business opportunity. So it allows you to allow other people on your team or who you bring in to partner with you in your primary opportunities. All right, let me give you another sneak peek. So there's other things. You could see your leads as they come in. Right now I have about 20 some odd leads that came in last night. And here, if you got pass ups, okay, those would be there. And then you could, this is where you would set up your PayPal link. You could create banners and so on. So there's a lot of things you could do with this marketing system, and it's included as when you join. All right, so how do you join? What I want you to do is check out the comment section below, and there's some information about how you can connect with me and get into this powerful program. What I do is when people partner with me, in addition to them getting the team Facebook group, they're going to get plugged into my VIP group, where I'm going to provide support. I'm going to provide training, mentoring, what you need to know so that you can build whatever income you desire online. All right, rather if you want to put an extra $100 to $200 a day in your pocket, rather it's you want to do more. All right, so that's what I do. All right, and that's it. So check out the comment section, and I look forward to connecting you and answer whatever questions you have and getting you set up. All right, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching. Hit that little bell notifications on YouTube. Bye guys.